Best 15 LinkedIn Automation AI Tools for Lead Generation. AnyBiz. LinkedIn AI tools automate tasks and analyze user interactions to enhance lead generation and networking on the platform. Integrated seamlessly via browser extensions or API access, they streamline processes like connection requests and message generation, optimizing efficiency. 1. AnyBiz.io utilizes AI to revolutionize how businesses connect with prospects on LinkedIn. With AI-driven sales agents, personalized outreach, smart decision-making, and multi-channel coordination, AnyBiz.io streamlines lead generation efforts. It seamlessly integrates with CRM systems and employs IP recognition technology for targeted marketing. Its automation and intelligence simplify lead generation, enabling businesses to scale their outreach effectively. 2. LinkedIn Sales Navigator employs AI to provide lead recommendations, sales insights, advanced search, and segmentation. It enhances sales engagement by automating personalized outreach and providing actionable intelligence for timely engagement. 3. Octopus CRM automates connection management, campaign optimization, behavioral targeting, and metrics reporting using AI. It streamlines lead generation and relationship management processes, improving engagement and productivity. 4. Taplio uses AI to recommend content and analyze engagement for better content strategy and personal branding on LinkedIn. It assists in creating compelling content and provides insights for optimizing engagement. 5. Walaxy simplifies outreach and follow-up tasks on LinkedIn with AI-driven automation. It enables multi-channel campaigns, personalized messaging, and behavioral triggers for effective engagement. 6. SalesLoft optimizes sales engagement with AI-driven personalized email sequences and data analytics. It analyzes performance data to improve sales strategies and focus on the right clients. 7. Linked Helper 2 automates networking and lead generation on LinkedIn with personalized messaging and engagement optimization. It enhances visibility and connection opportunities by automating profile visits and endorsements. 8. The Growth Machine accelerates lead generation and outreach activities with personalized messaging and engagement tracking using AI. 9. Phantom Buster offers AI-driven data extraction and campaign automation for lead generation and social media automation. 10. Hunter.io employs AI for email verification and lead scoring, enhancing email outreach and lead qualification. 11. Wiza uses AI for scraping LinkedIn data and qualifying leads, facilitating lead generation and marketing initiatives. 12. AeroLeads utilizes AI for data mining and contact information gathering, providing verified contact information for lead generation. 13. Textout automates digital marketing and engagement efforts with AI-driven personalization and engagement tracking. 14. Meet Alfred automates networking and messaging on LinkedIn with personalized messaging and automated follow-ups using AI. 15. Scrap employs AI for email scraping and database building, ensuring accurate and relevant data for lead generation. AI transforms LinkedIn lead gen with tools like AnyBiz. Its AI-driven sales assistants automate outreach, boosting engagement and sales efficiency. Prioritize alignment, integration, and LinkedIn compliance when selecting a tool. AnyBiz stands out, offering a comprehensive solution for smarter, faster lead creation. With AI, it gives businesses a competitive edge in the digital market. If you enjoyed your time here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Stay tuned for more updates.